Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript classes. In JavaScript, classes are a fundamental feature introduced in ECMAScript 6, ES6, that provide a more structured and syntactic way to create objects and implement object-oriented programming (OOP) principles. JavaScript classes serve as blueprints for creating objects with shared properties and behaviors. They encapsulate data, properties, and functions, methods, that operate on that data, promoting code organization and reusability. Let's see the practical example. I have opened my code editor. First I create a basic class. For this, first I write class keyword, then write class name and use bracket. In this class first I create a constructor method. Constructor is a special method in object-oriented programming languages that is automatically called when an object of a class is created or instantiated. Next, I take 3 parameter. In this constructor I assign value to this .make. Next, I create a get method to get the value. In this method, we return make, model and year of the car. Now, I create class object here and send data in constructor method throw object. Here, I write car class name, because we create object of car class. In this object we send a car model, make and year value. Here, I create an car class object and send data through this object in constructor method and then we get this value in getCarInfo method. Next, I use console.log method. In this method I can use object variable and then I pass getCarInfo method. Because we return all value in getCarInfo method. Next, open browser, inspect page and select console. Here you can see I get the car info successfully. We pass value using object, in constructor and then return this value using getCarInfo method. And after that we can print the value in console. Now, I want to print the another car value. For this we create an object only and do all this. Next, I write console.log method and in this at this time I pass another car variable then pass getCarInfo method. Here, you can see I get the second car information successfully. Now, I remove this code and create an inheritant class. An inherited class, also known as a subclass or derived class, is a class that is created based on an existing class, called the parent class or base class. So, here I create a parent class with name vehicle. Next, I create a constructor method and in this I take 2 value, for this I write 2 parameter here. Next, I create a getInfo method and in this I return car model and make. Now, our parent class is ready. Next, I create a child class of this vehicle class with name car. Here, you can see I write extend keyword and after that I write vehicle, that mean our car class is the child of vehicle class and also use the property of vehicle class. In car class I create a constructor method. Here, I write 3 parameter. In constructor method, I write super method. This mean we can take the value of make and model from parent class. Next, I write getInfo method, and in this I return super method and year. Next, I create a child class object, and in this I pass a value of a car. Next, I use console.log method, and in this method I pass car object variable. In console you can see I get the description of car successfully. In parent class we take two value, model and make, but in child class we can get property of parent class and a value year. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.